Hello friend, how are you? Welcome to Tripan Study Center. Today we are going to do the chapter of social science and highlighting each and every point of it. Let's see what is our topic today. Mention any two reasons to state that India is a federal country. That is an important question for the exam view here. Mention any two reasons to state that India is a federal country. That's an important question here. The following are the reasons to be stated that India is a federal country. That's important here. First of all here, the federal is the most important features here. Division of power. Division of power, that is the most important the features of federal country. The Constitution of India clearly democrat. The power of the center and state governments both have their separate area of jurisdiction. That's important here. The seventh schedule of Indian Constitution lists the union list, state list and concurrent list, which define their power and responsibility of central and state government. Division of power, that is the most important feature of federal government here. That's important. The Constitution of India is clearly democrat. The power of the central and state government. Central and state government. And both have their separate area of jurisdiction. And seventh schedule of the Indian Constitution, list of the union, list of there is the state and the list of the concurrent, which define the power and responsibility of the central and state government. That's important division of power here. The next here, independent judiciary here. That's important here. Independent judiciary here. India has independent judiciary where there is the power of judicial review here. What is important? Independent judiciary here. The Supreme Court of India is the highest judiciary, is the authority in the country and has two power to the interpret their constitution and resolve debt between the central and the state government. That's important here. The next here, representation of state. That's important here, representation of state. The Rajya Sabha, the upper house. Rajya Sabha, there is the upper house of the Indian Parliament. Represent the state and union territory of India. The Rajya Sabha is the upper house and Lok Sabha is a lower house. The member of Rajya Sabha are elected by the elected member of the Legislative Assembly of the state and union territory. That's important here. The member of Rajya Sabha elected their elected member of the Legislative Assembly of the state and union territory. This factor contribute to the India being a federal country where a power is divided between the center and state government. That's important here. The power is divided here, the federal government between central and state government. That's important 3 point here for the exam view here. This topic was till this. We will be do their next topic in the next part. If you like it, then please like, share, subscribe and share the video as much as possible. Do not think, subscribe and save in your mobile.